Fort Lord.
Who ya shout at us? Idiot boy. Who ya shout at us? Stop again. Stop again.
You see wrong?
Because when you hand the banana to say, idiot boy, you know that comprehension skill.
Look at this. That's your blade.
You know the sense of comprehension.
Look at this.